Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is we are going to take those Dollar Tree Easter baskets and decorate them. I'm really looking forward to it. I think I'm going to do 3 and 1 will be Maggie's, okay? So let's get started. Okay, for the first one, we're going to do Maggie's. I think that is adorable. And all this comes from the Dollar Tree, except for some of Maggie's stuff, okay? So I have that, and I thought that I would see what I think of this paper Easter grass here. Now supposedly you just sort of pick it up and stuff it in there with this one. And I kind of like this because it's not going to get everywhere, and I like that. And naturally, we will watch her very closely. We won't let her get the grass, okay? So don't worry about that, all right? Then we picked her up this little adorable summer top. We're a mess. But I love it. It doesn't have anything that she could chew off and get choked on. So I like that. It's all fabric. And she likes to be all dressed, all snazzy. So we're going to put this, take it off of here. I think I'm just going to kind of, she loves to get clothes. She knows when she's getting clothes. Now when we go out and we come back, she expects something. Then this is one of her favorite pretzels, okay? She loves them. And we have to get the extreme chew because she chews so much. Okay, so she has that. And then she loves these little dogs from Walmart, okay? And they squeak. So this is one of her favorites. So she's going to be thrilled about that. Gonna love getting her little dog. And then I've had this for her for a while, but I haven't put it on her, so I thought I might try this out and see if she likes it. She's pretty much, when she has something, she knows it's hers, and she doesn't like to change things up when it comes to her collar or her vest. She's very, if you take it off, she wants to know where it went. Okay, so here is Maggie's little Easter basket filled with everything she loves. Okay, now I think we'll do this little Easter basket. I think it's really cute. And I think I'm going to be using some grass for this. And I'm going to put some of these bags down in here because I don't need to buy a whole lot of candy, to be honest, okay? All right, and then we're just going to put this right in here. Oh, it looks so festive. Every time I get in something like this, I remember when I was a kid and we used to get our Easter baskets. All right, so here's a puzzle that I got at the Dollar Tree. Great little Easter gift. Stick that right in there. And then these skin sugar tattoos would be a wonderful thing. So we'll just stick that right in there. And then you have to have some candy, okay? So we'll put the mint patties in there. And let's see. Okay, how about a Walk by Faith book? Okay, you could give this to somebody that was older and they would really love it. I think this is so sweet, and it didn't cost you much at all. Okay, then our other option would be to take this, and same as before, I'm going to be putting these bags right in there to take up space. And I think I might try this. Okay, supposedly you lift and you shake. And I think you'd probably need 2 of these depending on the size of your basket, but that's really pretty. Now, you won't have bags down in yours, so you'll be able to see the pretty pink all the way down, okay? Now, I just took this little gumball machine that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I filled it with those little mini bird jelly beans, and the only problem is they won't dispense. They're too big, okay? But this is just to give you an idea. The 6-lets, one of you told me, come out easy, and there was another one. So we will just put that. I've got this. I think this would be really cute for a room. I need some more fluff. Stick that right there. Then these games. This like desktop golf game. I think that's cute. And then we have the desktop basketball game. And then we always have to have candy. I mean, what is an Easter basket without candy? Okay. And then maybe you want to include some of these little page markers. That's cute. And then you could put some ears in here, maybe in the back. Why don't we just stick this cute little rabbit in there? So adorable. And he's just perched. And that's our next one. So let's take a look at them. Okay, let's start with Maggie's. I think this is so cute. If you have a little fur baby that you want to give them something, like I said, just be careful with the grass. We won't leave her alone with this or the grass. But it's such a cute little thing. Or if you have children, young children, I think a little girl would love something like this. So adorable. And very economical too, okay? Okay, and then here is this one. I love how this one turned out. You could also fill this, if you didn't want to put candy and books and puzzles, you could take crafting supplies from the Dollar Tree and fill something like this. If you know a crafter, they would love it. Or fill it with their favorite candy. That's always a good idea. Or books, if someone likes to do search words or crosswords, go to the Dollar Tree. They have tons of those books. You can put it in there, and and then incorporate some candy in with it, and they would love it. So there's so many things that you can do from the Dollar Tree, and they don't cost a lot of money, but they're gorgeous. And then here is this one. It's so cute. And I ended up changing out that light pink grass that I just kind of unraveled for this traditional Easter grass, because I thought you could see it better. But like I said before, you won't have a bag down in yours, so it will be really pretty. But you can make so many really cute Easter gift baskets with items from the Dollar Tree that are very inexpensive. No matter if it's for a boy, a girl, an older person, a younger teen, an older teen, crafter, whatever, you're covered. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Monday for a Cricut DIY. And then Tuesday, I'm not sure what we will do. It'll either be a DIY or I'll do a decorate with me on my new sideboard. I'm really excited to do that, and I want to show you my clock and those arches that I purchased. So maybe that's what we'll get into Tuesday, or we'll just do a DIY. So until next time, bye guys.